Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download FC24 on PC and laptop. So first, launch your Steam app. You can also open your Steam account in the web version. After you open it, you will enter this kind of page using Steam. You can easily download this app. At the top right, you will find the search box. Over there, type in the game name. Once app appears, just click on it. With that, you will enter the game page. Now scrolling down, you'll find the purchase amount for the game. If you are satisfied with the amount, go ahead and click on the option of add to cart. Now, click on view my cart. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now, click on the option of continue to payment. You will land to the payment method page. Now from here, you have to provide your payment details. Likewise, billing information. Once you fill up all this, you can go ahead and click on continue, and with that you'll be able to purchase this game. After you purchase the game, you can launch it and then play it as well. This way you can easily download apps for on PC or laptop, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.